Cape Canaveral, Florida. The International Space Station's Acaba, the first astronaut of Puerto Rican heritage, has been affected by two hurricanes even in orbit. In an interview from the space station Wednesday, Acaba offered words of comfort to Puerto Ricans enduring the wrath of Hurricane Maria. His parents were born in Hatillo, Puerto Rico, and he has lots of family there. Just a few weeks ago, Acaba's home in Houston was flooded by Hurricane Harvey. Acaba was in Russia then, getting ready for his launch. Friends and colleagues came to his rescue, yanking at walls and drying at his house. Acaba, a former school teacher, arrived at the space station a week ago, along with fellow NASA astronaut Mark Van Hy and a Russian cosmonaut.